Welcome to Blossoms Planet School video classes. Namaste parents and hello my dear kids. How are you? This is your art teacher Anuradha speaking. Before going to our class, today let us learn a good habit. Get up early and sleep early. So kids, today let us learn two different activities. Those are a joker and a paper folding fish. First let us do a paper folding fish. For that take a color paper and fold it in a triangle shape like this and then cut the extra part. Now open it and in the middle we have a line, no? To that line fold the paper into half. Fold one side of the paper to that line and the other side of the paper also to that line. Next fold a sleeping way of a paper into the upper side. Turn it and draw one sleeping line, one standing line, one circle and one circle inside it and then fill it. Draw a big U shape, one rectangle shape and draw like this C curves. Now we had that extra part of paper, no? Fold it into a triangle shape like this and cut that paper. Open it and in the middle we have another triangle shape, no? Like another line. Cut that line. See, we got two triangle shapes. Again fold the remaining part of the paper into a triangle shape and then cut it. Now take Fevicol and apply Fevicol to these small triangle shapes and then stick it to the fish. Apply Fevicol to the remaining part of fish and then stick it to the remaining part of fish, that is back side. See, our fish is ready. Now take your drawing book and then turn the fish back side, apply Fevicol and stick it on the book. On the wings, draw like this 3 slanting lines and even on the tail. Take dark blue color crayon and draw like this water lines because fish lives in water. And draw the bubbles near the mouth of the fish. Now take dark green color crayon and draw the grass part, that are our V shapes. A V and a standing line. See, our fish is ready. Now let us do the joker. Now let us do paper folding joker. For that take a color paper and then fold it into half. Fold it in a triangle shape like this. See? Fold it like that and we had that extra paper, no? First fold it to the upward, press tightly and then take that paper or cut it with a scissor. Open the paper and this is a diamond shape. In the center we got a straight line, no? To that line fold the paper from both sides like this in triangle shape. Okay, now at the bottom of paper fold the paper inside like that. Now with a sketch draw 2 U curves, 2 circles and 2 small circles inside that, another small circle and fill that. These are the eyes of our joker. Draw a small oval shape and fill it again. And next draw a big U and small rectangle. Now draw like these circles, big and small circles and color inside them with your favorite colors. Now I am doing with my favorite color. Children, our beautiful joker face is ready. Thank you parents for your tremendous support and bye bye kids. Bye bye.